Assalamualaikum and greetings, Madam Fitria. So today we will be discussing uh, about the quality life of our student if we add new infrastructures to KKTM. I mean TVET Mara Kuantan. So Najmi, do you have any suggestion about new building at our college?
My suggestion is edit up the laundry room because once upon a time I go to the Tibet Mara kan and I found out they have a private laundry room. So they don't like have a child like us because the laundry and the cafeteria they have separated. But in the cafe in Tibet Mara Kuantan, we have it includes to what you can say is they they're in the same room. So I think there's not a privacy if we want to watch some like underwear. So the people who look at the underwear might be feel like disgusting. So my suggestion is laundry room. How about you? Right?
So you telling me in the dining hall there's also a laundry. They are not separated
What?
in our college.
Yes. In our TV Mara content, they are not just separated. So I think this there should not be because the laundry must be privacy. So they when the people want to eat, they don't need to see the unwashing clothes. So I think they must be separated. Mm. Now let me hear about your suggestion.
Um, all right, I will share my opinion, but I also want to share my experience. I went to Tibet Mara Beranang, and they also like Tibet Mara Pekan. They have separated laundry room and separated cafe. So it's time now for Tibet Mara Kuantan do the same. Yeah, right.
Yes, I'm agree.
And as for me, I just want around the hostel we have a new room, such as the printing room and launch room. This is I think it's needed, especially the printing room because the for now we print our assignments and reports at the the co-op. I mean the shop at our college. So with the new printing room, everyone can have a equal rights about their printing service. So no more hassle to go outside or um I mean you know taking places. Yes.
I'm agree because if we want to print it, we must be wait until the noon or morning because if
Yes.
we want done the work in the night, but we want to print it, we can because there no any printing at the college except for the co-op.
That's the point. There should be no curfew regarding the printing service. Yes. Yeah, I think that's all from me. That's all we want. No more, no less. Thank
Thank
you.
you.